Imagine exploring Australia's stunning beaches, vibrant cities, and wild outback, all while getting paid and making lifelong memories. And the best part? You don't need a job offer before applying. That's exactly what the Australia Working Holiday Visa Subclass 462 offers. And in 2025, it's more accessible than ever. New countries are now eligible, and visa extensions can turn your year-long adventure into a long-term move. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply, where to find jobs, how to extend your visa, and how this pathway could even lead to permanent residency. So stay with me. If you're between 18 and 30, or 35, this could be your easiest route to live and work legally in Australia. By the way, if this is your first time here, let us know where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to personally welcome you. What is the Subclass 462 Working Holiday Visa? The Subclass 462 is a temporary visa that lets young people work and travel in Australia for up to 12 months. It's designed to encourage cultural exchange, while giving you the chance to earn money during your stay. You can work in different jobs around the country. Explore major cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. Experience regional towns, beaches, rainforests, and deserts. Meet fellow travelers from all over the world. Unlike traditional work visas, you don't need to secure a job offer beforehand, just pack your bags, apply, and go. Who is eligible in 2025? Australia recently expanded the list of eligible countries, opening this visa to even more applicants. If you're a citizen of countries like United States, United Kingdom, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Turkey, Vietnam, China, India. And for countries like Canada, France, and Ireland, the age limit is now up to 35 years, giving even more flexibility. Check the video description for the full list of eligible countries and age limits. Don't miss out. What are the main requirements? Let's quickly go over what you'll need. A valid passport from an eligible country. Be between 18 and 30, or 35 for some. No dependent children. Show proof of funds, around 5,000 Australian dollars, plus money for a return flight. Health insurance is recommended, though not mandatory. Some applicants may need to provide evidence of English skills or tertiary education. Pass character and health checks. Pro tip: having your bank statement, passport copy, and proof of study or work history ready can speed up the process. How to apply for the Subclass 462 visa, step by step. 1. Create an IME account on the official Australian immigration website. It's free and easy. 2. Prepare your documents. Passport bio page. Bank statement. Resume/CV. Health check, if requested. Proof of education or English skills, if required for your country. 3. Complete the application form, make sure everything is accurate. 4. Pay the fee, currently 635 Australian dollars. 5. Submit and wait, most applicants get a decision within 14 to 35 days. Remember, you can apply from your home country, or even while you're already in another country, as long as you're outside Australia at the time of application. All links are in the video description for easier access. Finding jobs in Australia. Once you land, finding work is relatively easy, especially if you're flexible. Here are some popular options for working holiday visa holders. Farm and fruit picking in Queensland, South Australia, and Victoria. Hospitality jobs like bartending, waiting tables, barista roles. Retail positions in stores and supermarkets. Construction, landscaping, or temp labor. Tourism and hotel work during peak travel seasons. Job sites include backpackerjobboard.com.au, jobsearch.gov.au, seek.com.au. Gumtree Jobs section, for casual roles. Tip: rural towns often pay more for seasonal work and may help with accommodation too. How to extend to a second and third year. You can extend your visa by doing specified work in regional areas. To qualify for second year, do at least 88 days, 3 months, of specified regional work, like fruit picking, mining, or farm labor. Third year, do 6 months of specified regional work during your second year. This extension must be documented and logged officially. Don't skip paperwork. The full list of eligible jobs and regions is available via a government link in the video description. From temporary to permanent residency. If you fall in love with life in Australia, and many do, this visa can be your first step toward permanent residency. Here's how many people do it. Get sponsored by an employer after your working holiday, Subclass 482 or 186. Apply for a regional skilled visa, 494 or 491. Use your Australian work experience to qualify for the general skilled migration pathway. You'll need to meet requirements like English proficiency, skills assessment in a listed occupation, possibly nomination from a state or territory. This is where your working holiday experience helps. It proves you've already worked and lived in Australia. Travel tips. Stay in hostels to meet other travelers and find job leads. Use apps like Campermate to find free or cheap camping/accommodation. Take weekend trips, Uluru, Great Ocean Road, Blue Mountains, Fraser Island, and more. Learn about local work culture. Aussies value honesty, teamwork, and casual friendliness. Insider tip: rural employers may offer free food and housing, especially during harvest seasons. The Australia Working Holiday Visa Subclass 462 gives you the freedom to explore, earn, and connect, all while opening future doors for permanent residency. Whether you want to travel for a year or build a life down under, this is the easiest starting point. And with more countries now eligible in 2025, there's never been a better time to go. Now it's your turn. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Are you from a country that qualifies for this visa? Drop your country in the comments. I'd love to see where you're applying from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.